Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today we're diving into an inspiring story of determination, creativity and success. Meet Capucine and Florent, a couple who turned their dream into reality by building a stunning 1,560 square foot container home, all in just 9 months and with a budget of $107,000. This DIY journey is a testament to what can be achieved with hard work, ingenuity, and a clear vision. Ready to discover how they did it? Let's explore every detail of Capucine and Florent's container home success, right here on Alvinsa Studio. Capucine and Florent, both 30 years old, spent the lockdown period taking on an ambitious project, building a home out of shipping containers. They were organized and had a strong passion for DIY, managing to complete their 1,560 square foot house in just 9 months, and with a budget of $107,000. Their journey was thoroughly documented in a book that has inspired many in their own construction projects. During lockdown, Capucine and Florent had an idea to use shipping containers for constructing a home. It took them just 9 months to complete their 145 square meter house, with a budget of $107,000. They detailed their entire building journey in a book, which has inspired others interested in utilizing containers for home construction. Visitors to their home will find skillfully crafted spaces, including a 45 square meter living area, where many original container features have been preserved. They chose to insulate only exterior-facing walls to enhance comfort, showcasing a blend of industrial style and modern convenience. The couple was inspired to choose container housing for its practicality, cost efficiency, and unique aesthetic. The house they built covers 145 square meters. Inside they included a garage covering roughly 151 square feet, which is separate from the main living space. The home also features a spacious living room, dining area and kitchen combined, covering around 485 square feet. Additionally, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a separate toilet and an office area were introduced into the design. Adjacent to the entrance, the utility room functions as both a laundry area and a technical space. Here, you can find water heaters and other essential equipment, as well as additional storage. The heart of the home is a spacious living, dining and kitchen area that spans roughly 485 square feet. The homeowners purposefully left parts of the shipping containers exposed, including ceilings and walls, to highlight their unique style. Certain walls were insulated for better thermal and sound comfort. The design includes visible container details like the waves following the floor and walls. A faux beam cleverly conceals electrical and ventilation components, maintaining the industrial aesthetic while ensuring functionality. The home features a dedicated sleeping area that includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a separate toilet. Also, a DIY container home office with another toilet is located nearby. This setup allows for the comfort and privacy of all family members. The house design emphasizes a clear division between living and sleeping zones. Living spaces are incorporated into 2 large containers, while the sleeping area spans across additional containers, creating distinct parts within the home. Using shipping containers to build a house can be a smart financial move. These containers are relatively inexpensive to buy, which helps keep construction costs lower. Reusing these large metal boxes provides a sturdy framework without the need for traditional building materials like bricks and concrete. This choice allows the builders to be creative and control costs by transforming these containers into a livable space. For those looking to build economically, this approach offers an attractive option. Shipping containers are made to endure tough conditions, including heavy weather and rough handling. This makes them a strong choice for building a home. When set on solid foundations, these containers form a ready-made structure that can be quickly assembled. This fast construction process is part of the appeal, providing a rapid solution for creating a lasting residence. The strong metal design ensures the building remains steady and can handle adverse conditions well. Aesthetically, using shipping containers gives a home a unique, modern look that sets it apart from traditional houses. The metal walls and characteristic corrugated shapes bring an industrial charm that's both stylish and distinctive. This design choice reflects the builder's appreciation for a modern and engaging style. Emphasizing the container's natural form highlights their history and the journey these structures have made, adding a fun and interesting aspect to the home's appearance. For the builders, the choice of using containers was personal. It represented an opportunity to create a home that matches their lifestyle and preferences. The container's history and journey added an emotional element to the project, making the house not just a place to live but a reflection of their creativity and vision. It became a symbol of innovation, allowing them to have a home that was different, yet important to who they are. And that's the inspiring story of Capucine and Florent's DIY container home, a 1,560 square foot masterpiece built in just 9 months on a $107,000 budget. It's proof that with determination and creativity, dreams really can become reality. If their journey inspired you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll never miss out on more amazing stories and designs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video here on Alvinsa Studio.